response of two of the three, and it appears that there were communications between and among the three of them. We have submitted the report to the this very good committee, Mr. Chairman.
There were. Marami ba? Isa lang? O dalawa? O dahil kaya tayo nagtanong sa inyo dahil sinasabi nila wala silang komunikasyon. Nasaan tiyo, sir?
Basically, we have on February 21 of 2019, Yolanda Camilon received a text message from mobile number 0908-742-8324.
Belonging to? Kanino po yun? Lumapit lang po tayo sa mikropono, Director.
Veronica Bunyo po, which states that, Ma'am, I already advised Mabel na magkikita kayo maya po. Okay. And then, on February 21, Yolanda Camilon received a text message from mobile number 0945-550-6796, Binilda Bansel, which states, si Bods, ma'am, ang nagawa ng resolution, ma'am, ng MSEC.